We're making size extra large pinafore pattern in this video. So I took the measurement, the waist measurement, and divided by 3.14, so I got 11.78. So I just round off it to be 12. So what I am marking there is 12. You see, from the corner to the on the pattern I'm marking 12 inches so that I can also have sewing allowance. You see, then I draw a curve. So to make sure if the pattern is right, you can just divide the waist by 2. You see, I'm getting here 19.5 inches, so the pattern is correct. So yeah, it's half of 37. You see, so now I will just mark the length. So the pattern is not enough, so I mark 19.5 inches for the skirt length. I will add it when I'm cutting on the fabric, the length. Then I went on to join the dots that I just mark for the length of the skirt. So this is the skirt. So here I just folded the fabric into two so I can divide the skirt into two equal parts. So you can use one for the back or front, but me, I'm just gonna cut one piece for, I'm gonna use it for back, the back and the front. So what I will do, I will just mark 6 inches, but you can mark anything from 3 to 6 inches. It will depend on the style of pattern that you are using. So I went on to draw a line. So this is the skirt part. I was marking the sewing allowance of half an inch at the top. So this is the back and the front. So I went on to cut the skirt. This is my skirt, guys. So I will cut the back on fold. I'm gonna add it on fabric when I'm cutting. When I'm cutting the front, I'm just going to open the extension. You see the extension for the front. So this is the skirt part. So now I'm just going to draft the top of the wrap dress, pinafore. So I went on to mark 18.5 inches for the top length, shoulder to waist. That is what I was marking. So I divided the shoulder measurement by 2 and mark it at that line. The neck width is 3 inches. The neck depth is 3 for the front. For the back, the neck depth is 1 inch. Then I dropped my shoulder by 1 inch. Then I went on to mark the length of the armhole, which is 9. So I was just drawing the shoulders, then marking 9 inches for the armhole depth. You see, then this is the chest line, then the armhole depth line that I am drawing now. See, so this is the pattern. So what I will do now, I will just divide the bust measurement by 4 and mark it at the chest line, the answer that I get. And then at the waist, I'm gonna divide it by 4 and mark it at the waist and join the two parts that I just marked. You see, this is the pattern. At the armhole, I'm gonna find the center. So then I'm gonna draw the armhole. This is the armhole for the back. So the waist, I want to find the center so I can place the dot line. So I find the center of the waist, so there I went on to mark 1 inch for my dart. So I'm gonna put half an inch on both sides. The dart is 1 inch, you see. Then I draw the dart's legs. So then I replace the 1 inch for the dart that I just took. So this is the back. So I'm gonna add the sewing allowance of 1.5 inches, but you can make yours smaller, maybe half an inch if you like. So at the armhole I was drawing, I went in by half an inch. This line is for the front. So what I will do, this is the back, I'm just gonna cut it out, and on the new pattern paper I'm just gonna trace the same thing. Then I'm gonna, yeah, for the front. So this is it. Oh, I forgot to add half an inch there, joining allowance at the top, the shoulder line, and at the bottom. So yeah, so this is it. I have traced it, then I have added a paper. So here I was just adding the same 6 that I added on the skirt. So then I draw a line. So here it came up by 2.5 inches there where I'm drawing. Then I join it to the shoulder line. I'm drafting the neckline, you see, the neckline, but you can make a different neckline if you like. So yeah, this is the pattern for the front, as you see. Oh, the dart stops at the bust line. So the bust line is 2 inches below the chest line. So this is the pattern for the front, the top of the dress. This is the back and front. So yeah, this is the pattern as you see. The armhole. Thank you so much for watching. So this is the what's this, the skirt part. So these are all the pattern you're gonna need for your pattern. Yeah, it's a sleeveless pants. Thank you.